In this video, I'm going to create my first song using AI. Now, my good friend on the Next Gen channel, Doc Vince, he made this tutorial for me, how to make a song for somebody you love using AI. So in this video, I'm going to try to do that. I'm not going to go back through the video. You can watch this video again where I examined it, took notes, but I'm going to attempt right now to build my first song using AI. So if that's something you want to do, pop on in. Now, Doc told me to use ChatGPT and Suno AI. So what I did was I just went to ChatGPT and I did this the other day, this part. And I just said, hey, have you heard of Suno AI? ChatGPT started throwing me out all this crap on Suno AI, right? But right here, then I type this. I am planning on using, okay, so my expertise is trading the financial market. So ChatGPT, it knew I'm into trading, so it started talking about Suno AI via trading. So I said, I'm not going to use this for trading. I'm planning on using this to create music songs, right? Just to kind of take a break from the trading. If you're into trading, you know you got to step back, take a break. And I wanted ChatGPT to know this. So then it started popping out different ways. It's actually perfect. So I'm telling me that's a good idea and all this. And right here, ChatGPT, would you like for me to show you a few prompt examples that produce really high quality songs? One chill, one motivational. So this is what I typed up. I want to do a song for my 3 kids and wife. Give my wife's name, my children's name, and then give me an idea for a song. I said inspiration. My plan is to make a Christmas album. So I want a Christmas song as my inspiration. You are a singer, songwriter, composer, ChatGPT, and I want you to create the lyrics of the idea that I have regarding my wife and kids inspired by Christmas. So I want to create a Christmas song. Ultimately, my goal would be to build a Christmas album, but we got to start somewhere. An upbeat song that talks about Santa, elves, presents, snow, toys, reindeers, all that good stuff. Then I said, all right, it's an awesome idea. That's the kind of project that'll stick with the family forever. And then bam, look at this. Now, I haven't done anything with this yet, but right here, title, Christmas at the Moore's house tonight. Give me all this. So when that was done, he asked me, would you like for me to write a prompted format for Suno AI? Now, I learned this because of the video that I watched with Doc. So I'm taking that information and I plugged it into here. I said, yes, create me a prompt formatted for Suno AI, only 1,000 characters. And then there you go. Boom. That's where I'm at so far. I did go to Suno AI and I created an account. You can do a free account or a paid account. Right now, I'm just doing a free account. So we are going to do this right now together. But the other part, I did. So I'm going to go to create. Now, it was on audio originally. So then I got it off auto and I went to right here where it popped up lyrics and style. So, and I have not done this yet. So I'm just going to copy this right here for the lyrics. Copy. I'm going to paste this right there. Okay, now style. That's why I did this prompt right here. Right? Yes, create me a prompted format, 1,000 characters. So I'm going to copy this right here. Okay? Now, I saw Doc, he went to advanced options. I'm going to start off with a male voice. You can do male or female. Lyrics mode, sing the lyrics in the lyrics box. Suno writes new lyrics for every generation. So I don't know what he did on that one. So let me pause the video and go check it out. Okay, so on lyrics mode, we're going to go to manual. I'm going to leave this here, weirdness 50%, but style influencer. Oh, I guess I have to have a pro plan. So I'm going to leave it on 50%. Right? Say tube. I think we're good to go. So lyrics, style, We're going to start with the male. Now, Doc said that it creates 2 songs. We'll find out. Copy and paste it. Everything else, let's hit create. See what happens. Okay, so I got this error message right here. It said I can't use the word Michael Bublé. I don't think I used the word right here. Due to copyright issues, it took it out. So it's going to say, I'm going to take out energetic tone like Michael Bublé and Mariah Carey. So let's try it again. So that's what it was. It gave me a message. So I know they're big for copyright, so I don't want to use those names, Michael Bublé or Mariah Carey. Let's see what happens. Now you can see here, it gives me 4 options, but these tell me I need to upgrade for the full song. So I don't know, but the wheel looks like it's still turning, so we'll give it a little bit longer. Okay, as you can see, it's still spinning, but it does have this little play button. So let me just hit the play button and see what happens.
All in, lights are glowing bright, cookies in the oven, such a cozy sight, and Lilu's laughing, wrapping gifts with care.
All right, that's pretty cool. Again, it's still going through, but let me pop this one out, see what it sounds like. All right, so again, just kind of backtrack. I watched the tutorial, went to ChatGPT, right here. Gave it that inspiration, what I wanted. Again, I guess it would have gave me a few prompts if I wanted, but I had this in mind right here. I want a Christmas song for my family, inspired by, just reindeers, elves, all that good stuff. It liked it. It spit out the song. And then right here, I told it, yes, give me a prompt. And then it gave me this prompt. I copy and paste that first one. I went to Suno, create, lyrics, pasted it in, style. Over here, again, male or female. That one was a male. So if I go over here to female and I hit create, let's see if I have enough credits. Okay, so it gives me a couple songs. And then if I upgrade, it'll give me more. So there you go right there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to, when these videos are finished, I don't know if it's going to be right here or right here, but I'm going to upload the actual songs that I created. Let me know down below in the chat what you think. This is my first Christmas song. Next is I'm going to pick the best one and I'm going to make a music video. I don't even know how to do it, but my friend Doc, he's going to do a video on this channel and he's going to show me how. So if you want to do a song, hey, that's how we do it. It's still going right now, so we'll see how it turns out. I'm going to post it right here or right here. We'll see you in the next video.